Hi, I'm Emma Merrill, and I'm applying for the design and art internship. So, a time when I made something happen in 2018, I heard that the Wonder Woman sequel, Wonder Woman 1984, would be filming in my area. And that sounded really exciting, and I'd always wanted to be a background actor in a movie. I wasn't exactly sure how I would go about doing it, but I did a lot of research. I found the casting agency that would be in charge of casting the extras for the movie, and I found it took a while to find the right one because there was a lot of scams and fakes, but I did find the right agency and I applied, and I had to fill out a lot of different forms and send them an email, but ultimately about a week later, I was accepted as one of the background actors. And that probably wouldn't have happened if I hadn't taken the initiative to find everything myself, which wasn't easy. And then a time when I was stressed and overwhelmed, but still succeeded at something, was last semester when I heard about this new writing program that Professor Ocean Scott Card was putting on here for creative writing. And it required doing an audition, and I hadn't done a lot of writing in a while, so I wanted to practice, but there was also finals and things going on at the time. So I was really stressed out for a couple of weeks there, and I almost did an audition because I didn't feel like I was at the standard I needed to be at in order to succeed at the audition. But I realized that the only way to fail at something for sure is to never try. So I went to the audition and I was ultimately successful, and I am currently in that program. Next, why I'm a good candidate for this position. Uh, I'm a good candidate for this position because I have a lot of practice with graphic design. I've done a lot of graphic design projects. I've done posters. Actually, this t-shirt I'm wearing right now, designed that. And uh, well as the poster that went for this particular event. And I ended up designing the poster for this event because of Professor Ricks, who teaches graphic design here. And he was, the person, Tina Himes, she was the one who contacted me about this. And he, she contacted him and asked if he knew anyone who could do it, and he recommended me. So, and that was the second time he's done that. So if you need any references, he's a good one. And finally, what I want people to say about me when I die, I'd like people to say that I was intelligent, and I was able to use like my creativity and my intelligence to make the world a better place and leave it a little brighter than it was before. Uh, yeah. So that's it. Thank you for your consideration and your time.